Here is our arrival to the destination of today's installation. The location is Eleganza, Chevron, Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. We are here to install 3500 watts capacity solar generator, which can also be called 3.5 kVA inverter solar battery setup. The solar panels is being successfully mounted on the roof. So we just finished installing the panels. So here are the panels. The estate has the same building. You can see everything you are seeing here is the same. So we are around that Pacific Ocean. You can see the ocean that travel out of the country. You can see the ocean there. See the ocean. Finish installing the inverter. The work is ready now. You can see the system. So we are happy because the work is well done and successful. So this system is meant to power inverter, AC, washing machine, all the lighting in the apartments, the fridge, freezer, inverter freezer. Though in this house they have not finished installing some of the appliances. Home theater is meant to power most of the basic house loads, which is fan, lighting, television. So those things are not in the house yet. So the house is still working on the house. So why can't you try your possible best to get this kind of free energy system? You will enjoy 247 power supply and get rid of everyday buying fuel to power your gen and too much electricity bill. And I must tell you that this is the best option when solving power problem in your home, your offices, your workplace. This is the best solution. You can DM us if you want to make inquiry. We are always here for you. We are always here for you to answer your questions, inquiry that you need to know more about this system. And trust us, we will give you the best solution ever that you need. We give you the best specification, what will work for you and what you use, and you really enjoy it. You thank us later. So this is what we are here for. We are here for a serious business. So we are here to solve that power problem once and for all. Thank you.